Hello, welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. Look. Who are you? Nothing to do. Or busy with work? Today, we will give you the benefits of doing nothing. Self-discovery. Time spent without distractions can lead to deeper self-awareness and understanding of personal values and goals. Facilitates personal growth by allowing space for introspection and self-reflection. Mental clarity. Allowing the mind to wander without specific focus can lead to spontaneous creative insights and problem solving. Stress reduction. Helps to lower stress levels by providing a break from the constant stimulation and demands of daily life. Fosters a state of mindfulness, enhancing awareness of the present moment and promoting a sense of calm. Emotional well-being. Give space to process emotions and reflect on experiences, leading to better emotional regulation and resilience. Can lead to an improved mood and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. Enjoy doing nothing.